Alright, starting off uses and control of information, guys. Strategic reports have many features. Which of the following is most likely a feature of strategic information? Prepared regularly, not really. Operational are prepared regularly. Total accuracy of past and forecast data need not be accurate, but need be summarized. Highly summarized, absolutely. 16C. Strategic data is highly summarized. Highly summarized. Now where do I find this? Strategic, highly summarized, highly summarized, highly. Word search summarized it. Control F. Yes, here it is. Yes. So the summarized internal and external data. If you see strategic information, guys, here it is summarized internal and external data. So our question 16 has come from here. Okay, done. Next, long-term sales forecast are an example of accounting information at which level? Long-term sales forecast looks at the strategic level, to be honest. Are usually associated with strategic planning. Long-term, because anything long-term is strategic. Anything long-term is strategic. Anything long-term is strategic. Plan C, long-term focus 3 to 5 years, 3 to 10 years. Question 17. Okay, next we'll move on here. Question 18. What about the 18th question? First one, a management MIS, producing management account showing margin for individual customers suited to all levels. Okay. A customer relationship system tracking the acquisition, retention, extension of all customers, customer related information, all level. Executive information, access to internal and external information, summarized form. Not suited to all, it's only for the strategic level. So summarized information is only for strategic level. Summarized information is only for strategic level. Yeah, the summarized information is only for strategic level. Summarized information is only for strategic level. Next, which of the following is not likely a benefit of introducing, not likely a potential benefit of introducing this system? Manufacturer and retail kitchen introduces an ERP. So ERP we had done. Today we had done ERP. Benefits of ERP here. So first of all, schedule of labor are prepared for manufacturing, which is not a benefit. Okay. Inventory records update automatically, real time. Sales are according to financial ledgers. It's an integrated process. Strategic, critical strategic can be summarized. It doesn't summarize anything. Right? It just integrates everything. There's no summarization here really. Right? There is no summarization here. There's an integration for sure. But there's no summarization as per se that they have clarified over here. Next, which of the following is the example of EIS? EIS we have done, Executive Information System over here. Right? So what about the executive software to identify? So EIS, as you know, guys, it's for the executive system. It's internal and external information. It's summarized and it gives you a trend of the entire business so that the top level can make a decision. That is EIS. Okay. So software to identify customer trends. Yes. A database management system. All the data. Yes. A system summarizing the sales to assist in identifying trends and hiring new workers. Yes. A system providing internal and external information to help senior managers monitor the performance of the entire organization. Okay, this is definitely true. It's a system providing the internal external information to the senior managers so that entire organization you can summarize. So there's definitely an EIS. Right, for senior manager it will provide absolutely. Question 20. Right, so everything that we have studied is coming from the notes that we have already written. Okay. Why do I have two then here? EIS. Monitor the performance of the entire organization. Uh, yes. A lot of questions have come from this area, guys. summarize internal and external information. Next, you have been presented a summary of the last month with a breakdown and a variance. Which of the following system would generate such a report? So you have been also been given a summary. Okay, summary is one thing, could be yes, with a breakdown of total sales. Now you have all the information with the variances also. So transaction, it's not day to day. Executive, it's not summarized because it has all the details. So by default, it is an MIS, management information system. Right? If it was summary, it could have been EIS. If it was summarized, it could be EIS. It was day to day, it could be TPS. But again, it has a summarized version also. It has all the breakdown also. So it has to be this MIS. Okay, last one. Which of the following could be described as an enterprise resource planning system? ERP. We have just studied ERP today. We started the class with ERP today. What about ERP? Okay. A system that integrates information from all the functions within an organization. It's literally the first definition of what it really means. Question 22. Okay, that is about this, and that is about the continued of our chapter 3 question practice done.